Good afternoon, sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून क्लास। आप लोग लैब असाइनमेंट डाउनलोड कीजिए।
Good afternoon, sir.
afternoon, sir.
ओके, तो स्टेट वॉइस वही क्लियर आ रही है। स्टेट डायग्राम का बेसिकली पर्पज ये है कि दिस इज द ओवरऑल, इट रिप्रेजेंट द कंडीशंस of the system, state of the system, overall state of the system at a particular instance of time, finite instance of time। किसी भी finite instance of time पे इसको रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है और ये आपका ये शो होता है। आगे देखते हैं कि इसको हम लोग behavioral diagram, this show the system behavior and it also known as state machine or state diagram। स्टेट डायग्राम को हम लोग स्टेट मशीन और स्टेट चार्ट डायग्राम के नाम से भी जानते हैं। स्टेट डायग्राम इट यूज टू मॉडल डायनेमिक बिहेवियर ऑफ क्लास। इसका एप्लीकेशन यहाँ पे देखेंगे हुआ है कि इट इज स्टेट डायग्राम इज यूज टू मॉडल द डायनेमिक बिहेवियर ऑफ ए क्लास इन रिस्पॉन्स टू टाइम एंड चेंजिंग एक्सटर्नल स्टिमुलाई। किसी भी एक्सटर्नल इफेक्ट से या किसी भी क्लासेस के रिस्पॉन्सेस से डायनेमिक जो एक्सचेंज होता है उसको उसका एक मॉडल व्यू स्टेट डायग्राम शो करता है। और स्टेट डायग्राम में सिंपल each and every class has state but we don't model every class using state diagram। हर एक क्लास का एक स्टेट होती है, लेकिन हम स्टेट डायग्राम में ऑल क्लासेस को नहीं रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। इसमें जो एसेंशियल जो पार्ट है सिस्टम के उनको रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है। और स्टेट चार्ट डायग्राम या स्टेट डायग्राम का यूज कहाँ पे होता है, ये अब हम समझ जाता है। इसमें यही है कि इस पे जो आपके स्टेट डायग्राम यूज टू स्टेट द इवेंट्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर चेंज इन द स्टेट। किसी भी पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम के स्टेट को चेंज कर, जो चेंजेस हो रहे हैं उनको एनालाइज करने के लिए हम लोग इसको यूज कर सकते हैं। वी यूज इट मॉडल द डायनेमिक बिहेवियर ऑफ द सिस्टम। किसी भी सिस्टम के डायनेमिक बिहेवियर को जानने के लिए कि पर्टिकुलर एक्सटर्नल इफेक्ट से क्या चेंज हो रहा है सिस्टम पे, तो उसको हम देखने के लिए हम लोग इसका यूज कर सकते हैं। टू अंडरस्टैंड द रिएक्शन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स क्लासेस टू इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल स्टिमुलाई। किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट और क्लास का क्या रिएक्शन आ रहा है, इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल कोई चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, इफेक्ट हो रहे हैं, तो उसके थ्रू आपका क्या उसमें रिएक्शन आ रहा है ऑब्जेक्ट क्लासेस में, उसको रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए स्टेट डायग्राम का यूज कर सकते हैं। स्टेट डायग्राम एक बिहेवियरल डायग्राम है। स्टेट डायग्राम सिंपल एक इट इज यूज्ड टू मॉडल स्टैटिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द सिस्टम। ओवरऑल सिस्टम के स्टैटिक स्ट्रक्चर को बनाने के लिए होता है। इसको हम लोग क्लास डायग्राम, पैकेज डायग्राम, ऑब्जेक्ट डायग्राम और डिप्लॉयमेंट डायग्राम, इन नामों से, इन ये सारे एग्जाम्पल हैं। इसमें ये स्ट्रक्चर, ये सारे स्ट्रक्चर सिस्टम के स्ट्रक्चर को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, चाहे वो क्लास डायग्राम हो, पैकेज डायग्राम हो या ऑब्जेक्ट डिप्लॉयमेंट डायग्राम। इस सारे डायग्राम हो गए स्ट्रक्चर को, सिस्टम के स्ट्रक्चर को शो करेंगे। बिहेवियर डायग्राम क्या होते हैं? बिहेवियर डायग्राम इट यूज टू मॉडल द डायनेमिक चेंज इन सिस्टम ओवर टाइम। किसी भी पर्टिकुलर टाइम इंस्टेंस पे एक्सटर्नल इंटरनल इफेक्ट के द्वारा जो सिस्टम में चेंज, डायनेमिक चेंज आ रहा है, क्लासेस में ऑब्जेक्ट में डायनेमिक चेंज आ रहा है, उसको रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए तो क्या आता है? Behavioral diagram used to model the constructive functionality of the system. It also represent the overall functionality, how the system work, how the system can convert the inputs to the towards the output, or it show the overall functionality of the system, overall functionality of the system. और इसमें एग्जांपल में जैसे कि यूज केस डायग्राम, इंटरेक्शन डायग्राम, एक्टिविटी डायग्राम हम लोगों ने बनाया है, स्टेट डायग्राम, तो ये सब बिहेवियरल डायग्राम सिस्टम के ओवरऑल बिहेवियर को शो करने के लिए देते हैं। तो दो तरीके के हम लोगों ने देखे हैं, स्ट्रक्चर डायग्राम और बिहेवियर डायग्राम। स्ट्रक्चर डायग्राम का मेन पर्पज है कि रिप्रेजेंट द ओवरऑल स्टडी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द होल सिस्टम। पैकेज डायग्राम, ऑब्जेक्ट डायग्राम, डिप्लॉयमेंट डायग्राम, क्लास डायग्राम। बिहेवियर डायग्राम इट यूज टू change, analyze the dynamic change of the system on the basis of external, internal, external एक्सटर्नल इंटरनल इफेक्ट के द्वारा किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट क्लास के अंदर क्या चेंजेस हो रहे हैं उनको रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए है। इसमें आपका यूज केस डायग्राम, इंटरेक्शन डायग्राम, एक्टिविटी डायग्राम स्टेट डायग्राम की तरह यूज किया जाता है। अब जैसे कि स्ट्रक्चर शो करते हैं तो हमारे पास दो चीजें हम लोग को पढ़नी पड़ेंगी। एक फ्लो चार्ट हम लोग जानते हैं और स्टेट डायग्राम जानते हैं, तो इनमें डिफरेंस क्या है? फ्लो चार्ट रिप्रेजेंट द फ्लो ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, कैसे एक पर्टिकुलर इंफॉर्मेशन इंस्ट्रक्शन को फॉलो करते हुए फाइनल आउटपुट तक जो पहुंचती है उसको फ्लो चार्ट बोलते हैं। फ्लो चार्ट हम लोग पहले भी बना चुके हैं। तो बेसिक जो पर्पज ऑफ स्टेट डायग्राम, दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? बेसिक द पर्पज ऑफ स्टेट डायग्राम इज टू पोर्ट्रे वेरियस चेंजेस इन द स्टेट ऑफ द क्लासेस एंड नॉट प्रोसेस और कमांड कॉजिंग। किसी भी स्टेट के अलग अलग पार्ट्स को, स्टेट्स को रिप्रेजेंट, क्लासेस, किसी भी सिस्टम के अलग अलग क्लासेस की स्टेट को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए इसका यूज किया जाता है। यहाँ पे हम किसी चीज को, इंस्ट्रक्शन को, कमांड को नहीं लिख रहे हैं, बल्कि ओवरऑल वेरियस स्टेट ऑफ द क्लासेस को रिप्रेजेंट किया जा रहा है। फ्लो चार्ट में इंस्ट्रक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग 1 बाय 1 चीजें होती हैं और एक इंस्ट्रक्शन दूसरे सीक्वेंशियल ऑर्डर में रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है। फ्लो चार्ट इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ several commands executing in the particular order, while a state diagram portray makes design, state diagram design various changes in the state of the class. So it represent all the changes in the given class. It doesn't work on commands. स्टेट डायग्राम का सिंपल, इसे आप अभी हम इसके नोटेशन बताते हैं। स्टेट डायग्राम को ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है कि सिंपल एग्जांपल आपके सामने हो, कि कैसे ये स्टेट डायग्राम ऑफ यूजर वेरिफिकेशन, इफ यू वांट टू वेरीफाई एनी यूजर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पिन नंबर, तो कैसे इसको करेंगे। जैसे स्टार्ट, वो user put the card, swipe the card and waiting for pin. System request for pin. If he or she enter the valid pin number, it verify by the system pin verification. After verification, if the pin okay, then you can withdraw your money and use the system. But if your pin is not wrong, then the system generate an error. Pin authentication takes place by the system. And last, user identifier. This is the simple process. This is the simple state diagram which represent the user verification on the basis of simple states, pin number. Okay. तो अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं क्योंकि थ्योरेटिकल कितना है। बेसिकली स्टेट डायग्राम के सिंबल्स क्या है, कौन से नोटेशन हम ईच एंड एवरी कंपोनेंट, ईच एंड एवरी टूल्स ऑफ यूएमएल use case represent unique symbols, and these symbols are uniquely identified and globally accepted for all the world. तो स्टेट डायग्राम के क्या सिंबल्स हैं यहाँ पे देखिए। स्टेट डायग्राम या स्टेट चार्ट, स्टेट मशीन डायग्राम का सिंबल है पहला सर्किल, फील्ड सर्किल। जो फील्ड सर्किल है, इट इज द ब्लैक फील्ड सर्किल, इट इज द ब्लैक फील्ड सर्किल which used to black field circle it used to represent the initial state, the starting of the state diagram. In the first this one, this portion is the start. The small black filled circle represent the initial state. It represents the initial state of system or a class. Any initial state of system or a class. Then next symbol is transition. How we represent the transition in the state diagram? Transitions are represented in the state diagram with the help of solid and arrow. Solid arrow, this one. Solid arrow represent the transition of any information. Transition is change of the control from one state to another. And each and every arrow, each and every transition must labeled properly. What the message transfer from the one state to other state, it must be displayed on the solid arrow. The transition represented by the solid arrow sign with the appropriate message. Then we have a state. What is state? How we represent the state in the state diagram? The states are represented in the state diagram rounded rectangle. Rounded rectangle is the shape by which we design the states in the state diagram. The state, there are the rounded rectangle, this one, not a simple rectangle. Rounded rectangle, the edges are, corners are not sharp, rounded. Rounded rectangle represent the state of the state diagram. A state represent the conditions, circumstances of an object, of a class, at any instance of time. In the rounded rectangle represent a state. A state is the condition, circumstances, object of class, instance of a time. Anything we can represent in the state, and it must be denoted in the rounded rectangle. Next we have this symbol is fork. What is the meaning of fork? How we use in the fork? Fork is represented this is so that fork. It is a rounded solid rectangular bar. It is a rounded solid rectangular bar. This one. Rounded solid rectangular bar. So the fork. Fork represent fork notation. Which is the use of fork notation? Fork notation coming arrow from the parent state and outgoing arrows toward the newly created state. जब कभी हमारे ऐसा हो रहा हो हमारे सिस्टम में कि आपकी पेरेंट स्टेट फर्दर एग्रीगेट हो रही है या सेपरेट हो रही है मोर देन वन स्टेट्स में, कोई भी पेरेंट स्टेट अगर मोर देन वन स्टेट में सेपरेट होती है तो उसको हम लोग फॉर्क से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। जैसे यहाँ पे आपके हमें स्टेट ए जो है स्टेट बी एंड सी में सेपरेट हो रही है बाइफरकेट, तो इसको हम रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए फॉर्क लगाएंगे। और फॉर्क जो होगा उसकी डाउन एरो जो होगी, जो जिस पेरेंट स्टेट की डाउन एरो के ऊपर लगाया जाता है, ये एक सॉलिड रेक्टेंगुलर बार होता है, इसको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं फॉर्क। एग्रीगेट जब जब कोई चीज आपस में डिकम्पोज हो रही हो, then we have join. Join is the reverse process of the fork. In the join represent again. Join is also represented in the solid rectangular bar. Solid rectangular, both fork and join represented in the solid rectangular bar. But difference is that if more than one state combines and make another single state. If more than one state combines and make another single state. In such situation, the all the other all the substates are joined with a single rounded rectangle bar, single rounded solid rectangle bar, and then proceed to the single state. Uh, Here, the state B and state B and state C are the two simple states, and they are aggregated and transformed into the single state. And due to for making this, we maintain the join symbol, and join symbol is again a rounded solid rectangular bar. So both fork and join are same in the shape, but in the fork the single state converts in decomposing the more than multiple states, and in the join multiple states converted in the single state. Next we have self transition. What is the self transition? How we represent the states self transition state? It is represented in the solid arrow, rounded solid arrow pointing back to the state. This one. A self transition state represented as a solid arrow pointing back to the state. This representation is known as self transition. Self transition also represented in several ways in the previous diagram, in the class diagram, in the sequence diagram. But in the state diagram, it is represented the self transition in the solid arrow pointing back to the state itself to represent as self transition. There might be scenario when the state of the object does not change upon the frame. Suppose in the system, if you are making the state diagram, and in the for the further certain instance of time, any state doesn't change its value. The state remains same after the action. Then we represented this scenario in my state diagram like a rounded uh, pointing solid arrow pointing to state itself, solid arrow pointing back to state itself. This represented by the self transition. Then we have composite state. What is the composite state? Composite state, we use a rounded rectangle to represent the composite state also. इसको भी हम rounded rectangle से बनाते हैं. But represent a state with the internal activities using composite. Composite states are represented in the internal activities. If the system internally perform any activities, then it represented the composite state, and it also denoted by the symbol rounded rectangle. Final state, again this symbol is also very important for it used in every state diagram. The final state represented by the filled circle with the circle, but it is the coinciding circle. There is difference between the final state and initial state. Initial state is the small rounded small solid circle, but in the final state it is the rounded circle, filled rounded circle in the concentric rounded circle. These are the symbols which are widely used in the state diagram. Then we have how we draw the state diagram. What are the various steps for making the diagram? For making any state diagram for any specified system, firstly we identify the initial state and final terminating state. First, we should identify initial state, where we start. What are the initial state? And identify the initial state and the final terminating state, where the system starts, initial state, and where we get the final output, the uh, termination state. So, if you want to make the new state diagram for any specified system, first you identify the initial state and final terminating state. This is first step. Initial state represented by the solid circle, black circle, and terminating state represented by the uh, solid black circle with a concentric circle. Next, if we identify the initial state and final state, then we identify, next step, identify the possible states in which the object can exist. Identify the possible states in which the object can exist. Boundary values corresponding to different attributes guide us in identifying different states. After identifying the initial and final state, we should identify the intermediate state. What are the intermediate states? What are the intermediate state? Intermediate state. Why we require this? For making the state diagram, all the states are essential states are clearly designed. After identifying initial state and final terminating state, we should define or identify all the possible state of the which object can exist. After identifying the state, we should label the events which trigger these events. After every transition, show the solid arrow, and each and every transition represented by the specific message labels the event with the trigger these transitions. All the transition must be clearly mentioned over the solid arrow. This is the three step. These are the steps for making the state diagram. First, we identify the initial state, final state. Second, we identify the possible states for in which the object can exist. And third step is the label the events which trigger these transitions. These are the symbols and all the steps. Now we show certain examples for a state diagram. Here we represent the example of a state diagram. Oh, sorry, this one. This diagram shows the state diagram of online order. If you perform online order, if you're purchasing anything or performing online order, so what are the system state of system? This is the initial state circle. Order received. You order is fetch the order. If the order received, then two conditions are: your order is processed or rejected. If if you receive an order, then it is unprocessed order. An unprocessed order is transferred two ways. If your order is not processed, then it is reject order, and stop. Else, if order is accepted, then accept order state is generated. After acceptance of unprocessed order, it change the state, its name accept order. Accept order. After accepting the order, some items not available process, some item available process available. If some items are not processed, if suppose if you fulfilling the order and some items are not prepared, then you wait. Pending order is not fulfilled. It is pending due to the certain items are not properly maintained. Some item not available process the message, and the state is pending order. These orders are pending. And if the all items are available for that particular order, then it fulfilled order directly. It not waits. After some time, if the all the items are available or maintained or made by the cook, then the pending order is fulfilled. Both orders are fulfilled by this operation. All items are newly available. And after fulfilling the order, the system is closed. This is the simple order maintenance system, online order maintenance system, which use a simple state diagram representation. Uh, these steps are already mentioned here. Next, I show the some examples clearly that you show presented. Uh, state state diagram, state chart, state machines, same. Here is state chart diagram of a order, or again order. This is also order management system, but here some states are different. Again, if the sequence of states are not mentioned, then you make state diagram several ways. Initial state, initialization, starting here. Idle, initial object of state of the object. Send a request. If the abnormal exists, final state. If the order request is not fulfilled, then close. Final state. Normal exists, intermediate state, transition. These are represented. Transition are there, or there are intermediate states. In between two states are intermediate states. After that, select normal or special order, confirm event, order confirmation, dispatch order, then completion transition. A state diagram represent in the several ways. Whatever the state you identify for the system, you can maintain it. So this again is the state diagram. Here we maintain the state diagram of ATM machine. ATM machine, simple. Starting idle state, then verification. It is the composite diagram. Verification and doesn't for the pin number. Do ask for a pin number. Verification held with the pin number. If your pin number is corrected, then it's not corrected, then you again of repetition of task until you complete your pin number verification. After completion, search a record, then valid is point section, and if invalid pin number, then you can do the reverse order. Here is a prompt, transition state, and then the server level interaction here. Prompt and verify. Choose. Diagram is not clearly here. This one. Transition state. This is the subsystem. Prompt, choose transition, verify, checksum, withdraw. If you are performing the actual operation for withdrawing the money from ATM, then this section is happen. Choose transition, verify, then withdraw money, checksum money. But your withdrawn money not greater than your balance. If your account has no balance, zero balance, then you can't withdraw. Then again here checksum processed, and this one. This is the whole ATM management system for state diagram. Again, these are the symbols. Again, states are here, and state simple state. The internal state are represented. Transition state, solid arrow. Initial state, rectangle, circle, solid field circle. Final state represented in the concentric circle. This is the fork, join. This is also example of state diagram. This example shows that again a state ATM system, a self-test, and maintenance, outer service, saving customer. Representation are different, but symbols are same for the specific state diagram. Now, last this is again was question is what is the difference between a state diagram and flow chart? State machine, state diagram. State machine state diagram is the portrait several state of system. किसी भी state system की अलग अलग जो आपके states होती हैं उनका जो portrait या design होता है वो state diagram कहलाता है. Flow chart क्या है? It is the execution flow of the program. किसी भी program का execution flow है. It class number. It real re, the wait concept. Wait concept is the wait for event and action. Wait for an event and action is the concept used by the state diagram. If any event occur, then the state changes. But this concept is not in flow chart. Flow chart only show the several instructions step by step. It doesn't wait for any particular action. It is the real world modeling system. Actual states are shown in the state diagram, but it is the branching of sequence, loops, and concept. It help the programmer for building the new concept. Flow chart help the programmer to building the new concept. But it's the real world modeling system. It is the modeling diagram. There's the data flow diagram. Modeling diagram also helps the state diagram, but DFD data flow diagram also uses the concept of flow chart. The connected several state, several states are connected with the state diagram, flow of a path and information showed in the state diagram. Uses of state diagram as far as user is concerned, the model of the object, state of the system. If we maintain the state,
फ्लो डायग्राम फिर से दिखा दीजिए सर.
this one, flow chart.
सर फ्लो चार्ट नहीं रहा ऊपर वाला ये.
This is more complex. I think it is. This one is simple. This working is simple, but if you want this one,
Okay sir, okay.
all the system in the ATM system like turn off, turn, self test, idle, maintenance, out service, customize service. These are the